gain here for the day. But I like the way momentum's resetting up here with very little sell-off from the overnight move. We're going to get some cold weather and some snow in. I think it's going to support natural gas, but if I'm wrong, we're going to make some profit on it, and then we'll reload. Oops, went a little fast here. Hold on one second. Is corn. I got a buy signal on corn. Momentum already reset. The money flow is reset too, and I think it's going to just keep moving higher. CRK, nice bottom action here. I kept it. I had a sell stop at 855. We bought it at 9. I think oil has bottomed. I didn't want to overreact to all these big moves, and I think we're going to get a bit of a snapback. We're going to make some money. Oil and natural gas up. CRK should follow. DVA, again, it's going to go fill that gap. I'm positive on the ags right now, and going to keep going. ERX, I think it'll get a bit of a bounce back, but I'm going to be looking for an opportunity to short ERX here after the snapback is done. Gold, I went with silver first, but gold looks like it's maybe needs a little bit more time. This was a nice move, but it kind of sold back, and it doesn't have the same as SLW, SLV with the industrial opportunities. So I'm just kind of sitting and watching it right now. JJG, again, this is just short-term blip and a long-term move for me, and so I'm looking for grains to continue to grind higher for all of 2017. Joe, we bought Joe at open. Good timing. Like I said, coffee is in big trouble. I'm looking forward to get back up here to 26 again before I hop off my half again. I missed this rebuy on MOS. I'll just have to wait for it to reset up again, but we had a good trade on it last week. Nugget, we talked about GDX. We went ahead and we bought GDX on Friday calls. I rolled them out and down, and we caught that move. And I'm looking for actually a snapback. I'm looking for Nugget to get up here. If you guys are holding dust long, I think you're gonna get smoked. Oil got a reversal here. I'm looking for it to push back up, but long term, I think oil's in trouble. I think this is just reactions to reactions right now. SILJ is if you own it and you bought it, I think you're going to get a move up higher here, and then we'll have to wait and see. SLW, I bought it at the 1756 area. I think it's going up to 20. SPY, I think it's chopping around. I think with the bonds and the SPY yields matched up now, I think a lot of people are going to flood into bonds, especially the central banks like of Japan and even some of these pension funds are going to try to grab some yield, and I'm looking for SPY to fall. I highly doubt we're going to get a breakout on this round. I think they're going to wait till after the Fed meeting, or they may take a run at it during Thanksgiving week. Talked about gold, UVXY. XIV, I traded it, got stopped out. I didn't really mess with it too much. I'm looking for the market to sell down a little bit this week just to compensate for all the craziness of last week. But so I'm neutral on volatility right now. And same with wheat. I'm looking for another place to buy in, but I think it's just simply a reaction to the dollar move. XBI, I'm looking for a place to get into this short. This is way overdone. The only way they're going to pay for healthcare is to take it out of biotech's hide, and I think that realization will come sooner than later. People are just getting squeezed out right now, and I'm waiting to short it. Talk about XIV. it's just really struggling here, and I think it has room to go down before we get another pop in it. Nice move on AG this morning, consolidating. I'm looking for AG to get back up over $9, and then we'll see what happens. CXK didn't really move on this move up with the momentum, so I just kind of stayed away. I'm already long with natural gas, and I'm already long CRK, so I didn't want to load us up with another one. Drip, I think once this push up is done with the XLE, this will be a nice put to buy. I mean, be a nice long, excuse me. Emerging markets, I think it'll be a snapback. Emerging markets are in big trouble. If you saw my video this weekend, I just think the rest of the world is dead. They just don't know it yet. GDX we talked about. Real estate, I'm just looking for this thing to climb up with interest rates falling. Look to short it again. I have a diagonal short on it right now, and I'll just keep selling puts against my December 74 put. So far so good. It's been working out very well for me. Let's see if there's anything new here to report. Not enough action in SDS. Sugar, I just keep hearing a lot of the commodity traders talk about shorting sugar. Not moving enough one way or the other to interest me. SLV, I think SLV is gonna pop. It's gonna at least fill that gap. So may need a day or two consolidation more, but I think it's gonna move higher. And I think we'll finish up where we started here with natural gas. It's consolidating on highs here for UNG, and I think there's another move higher on it. And then I'll probably sell some call spreads against it for next week. I'll just have to see how the weather report goes. Anyways, Bob from Trade Genius. Hope you enjoyed the report. And like I said, we had a good day making money on some trades, and it's just going to be a crazy next couple months. See you later. Bye.